it now because Takabao, we are here. It's even spoiling my video. Can you see? It's so cute. Where are we gonna take pictures? Okay, where are we gonna take? Yeah. It's me. Sure. I will walk. You wanna take?
Okay, so what do I do?
I'm gonna walk. You're gonna take.
You're walking that side.
I'm walking B.
Okay.
And then you're
so.
You take it side.
But it's moving. Eh? It's
yes,
already.
It's a
okay.
video. And
okay.
when I get there,
okay.
You're gonna stop and then you're gonna take pictures.
The chickens live in the trees.
So what? The chickens. I saw. Where? How is that possible? How did it get there? Chicken flies, right? Sure, but I didn't know that far.
Let's lift up.
But I didn't know they can fly that far. Imagine. Look at that one as well. But parking is full. Is it full also? I saw something when I was coming in here. Hey. So you must be careful of chicken, otherwise you're going to. So what happened if you bumped into them?
Checking. They're gone.
So you must be paying. And plus, no, but they are sending him to come. Can you see?
Are you done?
We came up straight. Remember? You still
In fact, that's the... Remember that road there?
Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. I'm finally here. This is me. With Sheila Kikera go by Sheila darling. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Guys, first and foremost, I just want to thank you so much for 1,070 people that are subscribed on my channel. So I just want to show you a few things that I've bought for my hiking. I have a few gym wear that I'm no longer using. I just feel it's old. My face is getting, I don't know, I'm getting pimples. I feel like it's so old. So guys, I want to show you what I bought at Mr. Price. We have a, okay, I'm gonna talk about that later. So gym wear, tomorrow I am going for hiking, and I will take you with me tomorrow. Take hiking, and I felt like my gym stuff are actually old and I've gained weight, so I don't like that thing of wearing it tight and you could see my body underneath a tight, so I don't like it. So I bought some stuff, went to Adidas, I went to Puma, and I felt like Mr. Price. I went to sports wear, sports what something. So I was like, I can't. And I went to Mr. Price Sport. Okay, there's also sport in that Mr. Price. And I bought this, guys. See? So, the original price of this thing was $199, changed to $149, and I got this for 99 rands. I got it in a large XL because when you are hiking you really want your clothes to be loose, so I could have taken a medium or a small, but because I want it long and wild, I bought that. And I also bought this cute tight. Can you see the tight? Can you see, guys? Sorry, I was so lazy to take my tripod. I'm using my window, and I'm pretty much sure kids are making noise, guys. We don't have an electricity, so kids are playing outside. They have no phones. So I bought this. So first off and foremost, these tights have a drawstring. Love this for me. Very, very strong material. Has pockets on both sides. Can you see? Looks so expensive, and it's a Max a brand. See, guys, at the back, both legs have this detail here. Can you see? This thing is nice, and also have the logo here. Very, very strong. This is stronger than the Puma one that I went. The Puma was like 500 and something, and 500 and special, normally it's 900. So I bought it on those outlets in Lifestyle. So this I got it for 379 rand 99 in such large. I already felt this. I feel like I could have just take a medium because I could feel here there's a space. I underestimated this tight. This thing, it stretches. Got this one as well. Last but not least, guys, last but not least, I bought the shirt. Okay, I bought the shirt, right? I bought this in a size medium, which the brand, what is this? Jenna. First time seeing this brand at Mr. Price. I don't know, I haven't been to Mr. Price in a while. So I bought this in a size medium. This was 200 and what before? I think it was 200 and something. So 75. I bought it on like special 200 rand. Guys, it's like linenish, like soft linen. It's your avocado green. Got this cute detail here. It's so nice. And it's actually like a kaftan kind of situation. Okay, it's not open by the side. And what I love the most about this shirt is this. It's open here at the back, guys. Look. You can tidy and untidy these. I don't know what you're gonna do, but this shirt, it's cute for vacation. It's cute for dinner with my man. It's cute when you're going on a girl's dinner, like your holidays with your linen, with your linen pant here, because you can't wear this at work unless you wear something white underneath. That still doesn't make sense. Why would you wear this at work? So I bought it in a size medium. I feel like it's kind of big, but I want it wild. So guys, that is all from me. We will meet tomorrow when we are going on a hiking. We're hiking tomorrow. I am unfit. I don't know what's gonna happen. I am invited I think I should do a life update video because a lot has changed in my life. The girl is happy, things are happening my way, or maybe in God's timing. I'm seeing grace in everything that's happening in my life. And yeah. So wait, I wanna see where we are going tomorrow. Okay. So we are hiking about 10.5 kilometers, right? Starting at 6 a.m. 6:30, imagine. So I don't know what time. Okay, so yeah, I was still. I didn't say I got this. I need to read this. So yeah, we'll see you there. We will see that. I feel so drained today. I don't know why, but yeah, I think I'm tired. When there is no electricity, guys, I get so irritated. So yeah, we still don't have a headboard. You better watch my videos so that can be fully monetized. Thank you so much.